Hello and thanks for joining us. In today's program, we will be demonstrating a lab that will help you teach your students that wind, water, and plates of the lithosphere all play a role in surface processes that change Earth's features. The name of this lab is Change the Environment. The materials you will need for this lab include large bags of sand, clay, water, paper, and wood blocks or wedges. The Sunshine State Standards in this lab will have your students describe and give examples of ways in which Earth's surface is built up and torn down by physical and chemical weathering, erosion, and decomposition. The inquiry question for this lab is, research in your textbook and find 3 different ways to move sand without touching it by simulating natural geological processes. The conclusion statement for this lab is, fluvial, aeolian, and plate tectonic processes are constantly changing the Earth's surfaces. In this lab, we are going to demonstrate each of the processes. The first, fluvial, uses water to move our sand on the tray. Place the tray in an incline using the wedges or blocks to prop it up. Place the sand on the elevated end. Pour water over it and watch as the water takes particles of sand and transports them to the bottom of the tray. The next process is the aeolian process. To demonstrate this, place sand on the tray. Create a paper fan. Wave the fan over the sand. Watch as the sand gets transported away by the wind. The last process is plate tectonics. To demonstrate this, build a small mountain of clay within the tray. Squeeze the clay within the 2 blocks to simulate how plate tectonics change the height of mountains. Some possible questions to ask your students include, name an example of each process. Create a criteria that can be used to compare examples you gave each other. Name ways in which each of these processes can be measured. That's all for today's program. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time.